Hey guys, how are you all? In this video I'm going to show you that how can you update all of your applications at once on your Google Play Store. How can you do that? Basically we just have to go on our Google Play Store here on my mobile phone, and I will find my Google Play Store here, and after coming on it you just have to click on your profile option on the right top of screen. You can just see here, like let me click it, and here you will see manage apps and device option here. Click on manage app, click on the manage, and then you can select the application which you want to update from this tick option on that. So you can select the application which you want to update, and then you can click on this option to update these all the application from here. In this video we know how can we just update all the application at once. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel if you liked.